Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So, comet, comet and commit. So, comet, so like something flying through the sky. Here we are, comet. Comet, like through the sky at night. Oh, perfect. Yeah, there we are. Comet. Yeah. How cool is that? So we could say, I saw a comet last night. Last night. When you look carefully enough, you can see comets in the night sky. Yeah. Comets can be seen at night. Yeah. Some comets are faster than others. At any time there are comets in the solar system. Yeah. There might be hundreds of comets in the solar system at any one moment in time. Yeah, how cool is that? So, commit, to be dedicated to a cause for a long time. I will commit to it to the long term. You need to commit if you want to see results. Yeah, you have to commit to finishing it. Yeah, to finishing it soon. How are you going to commit to that? You got other things to do too. Yeah, you can't commit to too many things. To too many things. You can't do that. Yeah. He wants to commit to something bigger than himself. How is he going to commit to learning Spanish? How is he going to commit for the long term? Yeah. She struggles to commit to things for longer than 2 weeks. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, comet, as it flies through the sky, and commit. So, can you use these words in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.